Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the player traits. So how the players have a unique styles, or how the player have unique skills. Let's tap the club button. Tap all players. This is all the players that you have. Tap one of the player, for example Neymar, and tap the details. And this is the traits, and tap the traits for the detail. This one, as you can see, this is a Neymar Junior traits, like rainbow skill moves, use the heel to scoop the ball and go past the defender, and flare also. 5 flamboyant moves, but this is a negative trait. Player is known to be often injured, and many more. I give you one example. Enzo Fernandez. Tap the details, tap the traits. This one, playmaker trait. So this trait works when you are in auto mode and also in manager division rivals. So please collect all the player in the game, all good player in the game, to make it works beautifully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.